Drones have revolutionized the way we capture the world, and DJI continues to lead the pack with cutting-edge technology, stunning aerial photography, and unmatched performance. Whether you're a professional filmmaker, travel vlogger, or drone enthusiast, choosing the right drone can take your creativity to new heights. In this video, we'll explore the best, latest DJI drones, breaking down their features, capabilities, and which one is perfect for you. Let's take off. Number 5. DJI Air 2S Fly. The DJI Air 2S Fly is a compact yet powerful drone designed for travelers, aerial photographers, and content creators who want stunning 5.4K video, intelligent flight modes, and hassle-free flying. Combining portability and high-end performance, this drone delivers breathtaking shots with ease. At its core, the 1-inch CMOS sensor captures 20 megapixel photos and ultra-sharp 5.4K 30p video, ensuring incredible detail, vibrant colors, and excellent low-light performance. Whether you're filming majestic landscapes or cityscapes at night, the Air 2S delivers pro-level quality in a compact body. With master shots, the drone automatically plans flight paths, captures cinematic shots, and edits footage, making professional aerial filming effortless. The intelligent HDR, hyperlapse, and panorama modes allow you to get creative with stunning visuals. Safety is a priority with 4-way obstacle sensing and APAS 4.0, which helps the drone navigate smoothly even in complex environments. The O3 OQ Sync 3.0 transmission system provides a stable 12-kilometer range with ultra-clear 1080p live feed, ensuring a seamless flying experience. The Air 2S Fly More combo includes extra batteries, ND filters, a charging hub, and a shoulder bag, extending your flight time and giving you more creative flexibility. Whether you're an adventurer, filmmaker, or drone enthusiast, the DJI Air 2S Fly is the perfect balance of power, portability, and intelligent features, making every flight a masterpiece. Number 4. DJI Avata. The DJI Avata 2 is a compact and agile FPV, first-person view, drone designed for aerial enthusiasts and content creators seeking immersive flight experiences and high-quality footage. Building upon its predecessor, the Avata 2 introduces significant enhancements in design, performance, and user experience. Weighing approximately 377 grams, the Avata 2 features a sleek design with integrated propeller guards, ensuring safety during indoor and outdoor flights. The drone's dimensions are 185x 2.2 64 mm, making it highly portable and suitable for various shooting environments. Equipped with a 1.3-inch sensor, the Avata 2 captures stunning visuals with enhanced low-light performance and dynamic range. This upgrade allows for more detailed and vibrant imagery, catering to both amateur and professional content creators. The Avata 2 offers impressive flight capabilities, with a maximum ascent speed of 6 ms in normal mode and 9 ms in sport mode. It can reach a top horizontal speed of 27 ms in manual mode, providing thrilling flight experiences for FPV enthusiasts. The drone's maximum flight time is approximately 23 minutes, allowing for extended aerial sessions. Utilizing DJI's O4 video transmission system, the Avata 2 ensures enhanced stability and a maximum transmission distance of up to 13 kilometers. The system supports 1080p 100 fps live view with a latency as low as 24 meters, delivering a seamless and immersive FPV experience. The drone comes with 46 GB of internal storage, capable of storing approximately 90 minutes of 1080p 60 fps video, ensuring ample space for capturing your flights. The Avata 2 supports Wi-Fi connectivity for fast file transfers to your smartphone, streamlining the editing and sharing process. Additionally, the LightCut app offers intelligent editing features, allowing users to add sky VFX and utilize one-tap edit for creating engaging aerial footage effortlessly. In summary, the DJI Avata 2 combines advanced imaging capabilities, robust flight performance, and user-friendly features in a compact design, making it an excellent choice for those looking to explore the skies and capture stunning aerial content. Number 3. DJI Flip. The DJI Flip is a groundbreaking addition to DJI's lineup, offering a unique blend of portability, performance, and user-friendly features tailored for both beginners and seasoned drone enthusiasts. Innovative design weighing. Under 249 grams, the DJI Flip boasts a distinctive folding mechanism where each arm, motor, propeller, and propeller guard seamlessly fold beneath the drone's body, resulting in a compact form factor ideal for travel and on-the-go adventures. This design not only enhances portability, but also ensures safety with integrated full-coverage propeller guards, allowing for worry-free flights in various environments. Impressive imaging capabilities. Equipped with a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor, the EI Flip captures stunning 48-megapixel still photos and records 4K video at 60 frames per second. For social media enthusiasts, it offers 2.7K vertical video recording, ensuring content is optimized for platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Additionally, the drone supports 100 FPS slow-motion video in Full HD 1080p, allowing creators to capture dynamic scenes with exceptional clarity. User-friendly flight experience. Designed with ease of use in mind, the DJI Flip supports multiple control methods, including palm control, mobile app control, voice commands, and traditional remote controller operation. Its palm takeoff feature enables quick launches without the need for additional equipment, making it perfect for spontaneous shooting sessions. The drone also features a forward-facing 3D infrared sensor for obstacle detection and auto-braking, enhancing flight safety. Extended flight time and connectivity. With a maximum flight time of approximately 31 minutes, the Flip ensures ample opportunity to capture diverse scenes on a single charge. The O4 video transmission system provides a stable connection with a range of up to 13 kilometers, delivering a clear 1080p live feed to the pilot. In summary, the DJI Flip redefines aerial photography and videography with its innovative design, advanced imaging capabilities, and user-centric features, making it an excellent choice for those looking to explore the skies and capture stunning content effortlessly. Number 2. DJI Neo. The DJI Neo is a compact and lightweight drone weighing approximately 135 grams, designed for enthusiasts and content creators seeking a portable yet powerful aerial companion. Its sleek design and integrated full-coverage propeller guards make it ideal for both indoor and outdoor flights, ensuring safety and ease of use. Equipped with a 1.2-inch CMOS sensor, the Neo captures 12 megapixel photos and records 4K video at 30 frames per second, delivering crisp and vibrant imagery. The drone's single-axis mechanical gimbal, combined with DJI's Rocksteady and Horizon balancing stabilization technologies, ensures smooth footage even during dynamic maneuvers or in windy conditions. Up to level 4. The Neo offers multiple control options to suit various user preferences. It supports palm takeoff and landing for quick deployment, can be operated via the DJI Fly app on a smartphone, and is compatible with traditional remote controllers for more precise navigation. Additionally, voice control functionality allows for hands-free operation, enhancing the user experience. For content creators, the Neo includes intelligent shooting modes such as quick shots, which automate complex aerial maneuvers to capture cinematic footage effortlessly. The drone also features AI-based subject tracking, ensuring that the subject remains in focus throughout the flight. With 22 GB of internal storage, users can store up to 40 minutes of 4K 30 FPS video or 55 minutes of 1080p 60 FPS footage, eliminating the need for external memory cards. In terms of performance, the DJI Neo offers a maximum flight time of approximately 18 minutes on a single charge. Its O4 video transmission system provides a stable connection with a range of up to 10 kilometers when used with an optional remote controller, delivering a clear 1080p live feed to the pilot. Number 1. DJI Inspire 2 Drone. The DJI Inspire 2 is a professional-grade drone built for filmmakers, aerial photographers, and content creators who demand cinematic excellence. Combining power, speed, and intelligent features, the Inspire 2 sets a new standard in aerial cinematography. At its core, the Inspire 2 features a dual battery system, providing up to 27 minutes of flight time, ensuring uninterrupted shooting sessions. It boasts a top speed of 58 mph, 94 kph, making it one of the fastest professional drones available. The drone's self-heating battery technology allows for reliable operation even in cold conditions. The Inspire 2 supports DJI's ZenMuse cameras, including the ZenMuse X7, X5S, and X4S, offering raw 6K video recording for Hollywood-quality footage. With Cinema DNG and Apple ProRes support, filmmakers get maximum flexibility in post-production. The advanced image processing system records at 5.2K 30p and 4K 60p, ensuring stunning clarity and detail.